This may include many aspects, but we are only going to look at cosmetics for now.
Cosmetics are usually used to enhance one's appearance, and they may be used by both men and women. It is very important that cosmetics are chosen carefully so as to avoid harmful effects on one's skin.
It is also important to use cosmetics carefully to avoid harmful effects on the skin. Also, when used inappropriately, it no longer enhances the appearance. It instead produces the opposite effect. If cosmetics are misused, this may have very harmful effects to the user. In some cases, it may even be detrimental to one's health.
All cosmetics should be discontinued if any reaction occurs.
Lipstick is used to enhance the lips, and it comes in different colors. Mascara is used for the eyelashes.
Rouge is used to enhance the cheeks.
Body lotion is used on the body.
Deodorant is used on the armpits.
Petroleum jelly is used on the body.
Eyeshadow is used on the upper eyelid. Nail polish is used to enhance the nails and is available in different colors.
Just as the name suggests, hair color is used to color the hair.
Hair oil is used on the hair.
Eyeliner is used on the lower eyelid.